can agree that anybody who's into the programming world has never even seen the homepage of Stack Overflow. Everybody has just been into any solutions they offer. Nobody has ever seen the homepage.
And is there any particular site that used to refer to read this course?
I used to use Stack Overflow only. I think I can agree that anybody who's into the programming world has never even seen the homepage of Stack Overflow. Everybody has just been into any solutions they offer. Nobody has ever seen the homepage, like how Google has the search bar. We don't know what Stack Overflow is. Even I have not. Stack Overflow, and I used to code on Lead Code or HackerRank. So those solutions used to be really helpful because those solutions used to have that fine-tuned. In the programming world, they would call it as complexities. They used to have the smallest time complexity, space complexity, and everything. So those were the things which they eyed on. The ones in Lead Code and HackerRank, the solutions they provide. And Stack Overflow used to just explain concepts if in case you're stuck as to what is the right way to do it and what is wrong in the question I've asked, and that's how.
Okay. So if I ask you in summary, top 3 things that you liked about the program journey at EdYoda, what will it be?
First was the portal. I don't know if it is the same now, but the programming portal was good because the problems it had covered a lot of concepts which I thought. And secondly, the teachers. During my time, there was somebody called as Mohit. So he taught me a good amount of Python, and his way of thinking was something that was really interesting, and I liked it. And the third thing was the way the program was presented, as to first learning the fundamentals of programming and then going into visualization or more advanced topics, then machine learning. So I liked the way the program was presented.
And now coming to the placement part, which is the most important, everyone looks forward to getting that job and getting placed. You told us a little bit about your placement journey, but let's say in summary, if I have to ask you top 3 things that you liked about the placement journey at EdYoda, what would it be?
First was a lot of opportunities. Secondly was that once you crack an interview or something, the constant mentorship which was provided by Mr. Simon.
So we'll come to a last question, which will be like, suppose we are going to meet Sriram who hasn't joined our program yet. Okay, you are thinking whether to join on. What would you give advice to yourself?
Oh, I'd say take that leap of faith. I know it is scary and it is uncertain as to how the program is, because although with a lot of technologies coming in, it is easy for you to doubt everything, single thing you see, but you need to take the leap of faith, and you need to understand that although the program is really helpful, but it is you who can do it.
Okay, great. So with that, we'll be coming to the end of this discussion, and before we finish, there are 3 lines I would like you to say. First will be like this video, second line will be share this video with your friends, and third line will be subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So over to you, Sriram.
Alright, so like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to EdYoda.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sriram, for coming here and sharing your story with all of us. I hope that everyone who watched this video found it useful. And once again, before finishing, like, share, subscribe, and that'll be it from our side. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.